Are you going home? Are you going home? Yes, I am leaving now. Yes, I am leaving now. Do you like children? Do you like children? Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you watch cricket? Do you watch cricket? Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it. Can you call a taxi? Can you call a taxi? Yes, I will call. Yes, I will call. Are you studying English? Are you studying English? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it. Can you close the window? Can you close the window? Yes, no problem. Yes, no problem. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Do you have kids? Do you have kids? No, I don't. No, I don't. Can you tell me a story? Can you tell me a story? Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Yes, I am fine. Yes, I am fine. Do you know the route? Do you know the route? Yes, follow me. Yes, follow me. Can you bring a chair? Can you bring a chair? Yes, just a moment. Yes, just a moment. Are you at work? Are you at work? Yes, I am working now. Yes, I am working now. Do you like rain? Do you like rain? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Can you book a ticket? Can you book a ticket? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Are you on WhatsApp? Are you on WhatsApp? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you study daily? Do you study daily? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you meet me today? Can you meet me today? Yes, when and where? Yes, when and where? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? No, never. No, never. Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it. Can you give me your number? Can you give me your number? Yes, write it down. Yes, write it down. Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Yes, I am free. Yes, I am free. Do you like this dress? Do you like this dress? Yes, it's nice. Yes, it's nice. Can you pay the bill? Can you pay the bill? Yes, I will pay. Yes, I will pay. Are you coming alone? Are you coming alone? No, with my friend. No, with my friend. Do you play games? Do you play games? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Can you check my bag? Can you check my bag? Yes, wait. Yes, wait. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Yes, I want to rest. Yes, I want to rest. Do you read newspapers? Do you read newspapers? Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning. Can you speak Bengali? Can you speak Bengali? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Do you know my brother? Do you know my brother? Yes, I have seen him. Yes, I have seen him. Can you clean the room? Can you clean the room? Yes, I will do it. Yes, I will do it. Are you coming today? Are you coming today? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you like sweets? Do you like sweets? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Can you charge my phone? Can you charge my phone? Yes, give it to me. Yes, give it to me. Are you sick? Are you sick? No, I'm okay. No, I'm okay. Are you eating now? Are you eating now? Yes, I'm having lunch. Yes, I'm having lunch. What does your father do? What does your father do? He is a businessman. He is a businessman. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? She is a homemaker. She is a homemaker. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Rohan. My best friend is Rohan. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Reading and listening to music. Reading and listening to music. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. Yes, I like football. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Pop and classical. Pop and classical. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing? A little bit. A little bit. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it.